So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to find your suppliers for your dropshipping on your AliExpress. So first, if you're going to start a dropshipping business, AliExpress is one of the easiest places to find suppliers. But before you do that, start with a niche and decide what kind of products that you wanted to sell. This helps you reach smarter and spot trustworthy supplies first. So, use the right keywords when searching on AliExpress and type in the products include terms like drop shipping. So, for example, pants drop shipping. Once you click on that, use the filter to find better options like 4 stars and up. Also, choose which ships from and choose local warehouses if it is possible. Also, you could sort by orders to see the popular items and click on the product and then see the review. So for example, in this one, we have one sold right here. So just find more products that has higher sold. So for example, we have right here 36. So look for the photos and reviews and the delivery feedbacks as well. This one, it has 4 reviews and 4.5 rating stars. So message or contact the supplier and ask them directly if you offer drop shipping and such order. After that, test the order product yourself before you list it into your store. Also, you can also use dropshipping tools that works with AliExpress like Deezers, AutoDS, and Zendrop. And that's how you find a good AliExpress supplier in this video.